Welcome to Pro Hands Home Improvement. Today, we're diving into the costs associated with HVAC installation in Los Angeles for 2026. Whether you're upgrading or starting fresh, understanding these costs can help you plan effectively for your home comfort needs. Several factors influence HVAC installation costs. First, the type of system you choose, be it a central air system, ductless mini-split, or heat pump, plays a significant role. The size of your home is another critical factor, as larger spaces typically require more extensive systems. Finally, the complexity of the installation, including ductwork modifications and electrical upgrades, can affect the overall cost. In Los Angeles, the average cost for installing a new HVAC system in 2026 ranges from $8,000 to $15,000. Central air systems typically fall between $10,000 and $14,000, while ductless mini-split systems may range from $8,000 to $12,000. If you opt for a heat pump, expect costs between $9,000 and $15,000. Keep in mind that these are average ranges, and actual costs can vary based on specific project requirements. To get the best value, choose a reputable HVAC contractor with proven experience. Focus on energy efficiency ratings, as higher efficiency systems can save you money in the long run. Also, consider the warranty offered. Longer warranties can provide peace of mind and protect your investment. For personalized advice and a detailed quote, visit ProHandsHandyman.com. Our team of professionals is ready to help you make informed decisions about your HVAC needs. That's ProHandsHandyman.com.